What's going on, Linn?
We're in Peniche now, and we're going to see the World Cup in surfing.
Nice, nice.
Yep.
So what do you think about this little village so far?
I like it a lot, and I'm quite excited about it since I yesterday or the day before remembered that I've actually been here, but I didn't really recognize it was this town.
Interesting, for sure. So you're my personal guide now, you could say.
Yeah.
Sweet. So, where are we now, Linn?
We're at the beach where I was surfing like 1.5 years ago.
Sweet. Getting any flashbacks?
Yeah, but I thought it was more rocky here. But maybe it's because is it high tide now?
No, I think it's like in the middle. Okay, so yeah, what are we doing? That's right. We're just enjoying life and a drink at this little place here at the beach in Peniche, and I'm waiting for my burger as well. Yeah, that is quite important right now for me to be able to enjoy this fully. So I'm just sitting here at the World Championships of wave surfing, and the competition is going right now. There's probably the best surfer in the world, John Florence, out sailing, and he's competing in the quarterfinal against Lauren Wilson, I think the name is. It's pretty cool, big waves, big crowd. Nice. I think the sun might come up soon as well. Let's hope for that. Okay, so we just came back from the beach and a long day out in Ferrell watching some surfing.
Yeah. To an empty boat since
Yeah.
our two deckhands left us.
That's right, our two amazing deckhands, Victor and Nadia, who's been with us for about 2 months now, left us earlier today. And when we come back to the boat, we found this here. At first they made their beds really beautifully, and then they gave us like this stuff. It's looking pretty awesome. Some goodies and yeah, just different candy. And a little note as well, in Swedish though, so it's but yeah, it's an awesome note anyway. That's really cool. Thanks guys.
Thank you.
We see you around. So after waving off Victor and Nadia, we spent our last day in Peniche, just walking around the city and exploring this little town, and yeah, so doing some shopping, posting some letters home to Sweden, and then we went out to explore the nature out as far out as you can come on the peninsula.
Where are we now, Gustav?
So we're furthest out as you can come on this Peniche Peninsula in Portugal. Yeah, there's like these huge awesome cliffs right here with these cracks and holes and stuff in them. Really cool, like the ocean has shaped the cliffs and just created this very special landscape for sure. And soon we'll go out to the lighthouse as well.
So I'm on my morning shift and it's really nice, as you can see. Gustav is asleep, and just over there is a little town called Ericeira where I was surfing the first time in my life. So I get to record this since I can't tell Gustav about it now. Doing like 3.5 knots. And yeah, I'm trying to keep myself awake. Oh, Gustav is awake as well.
Oh, yeah.
Did you sleep good?
Well, I had like a little bit more than 1 hour really good sleep for sure. So yeah, now I'm quite good to go again.
Nice. And the wind has picked up as well. So I guess we're making about 5 knots now.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And Ericeira is still there. What's up guys? Don't forget to leave a like.
And subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.